Structural Concepts, we believe owning a refrigerated display case shouldn't be hard work. That's why we include our Breeze slide-out refrigeration system in every one of our self-contained merchandisers to save both time and money. Breeze systems allow for easy access to the refrigeration package. Designed with aircraft-grade flexible hoses, the condensing unit easily slides out with tools for maintenance or repairs without the risk of causing refrigerant leaks and blockages. The refrigeration package leverages on an oversized condenser coil that allows for more efficient airflow and takes the strain off the compressor, cutting down on the compressor's energy consumption. A smart microprocessor monitors coil conditions and automatically adjusts the defrost cycle. This keeps case temperatures safe and consistent, which in turn extends the shelf life of your fresh foods. There are two types of Breeze refrigeration systems. Breeze is designed for NSF Type 1 conditions, which are environments that don't exceed 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 55% relative humidity. Breeze Enhanced, better known as Breeze E, is designed for NSF Type 2 conditions, which are environments that don't exceed 80 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% relative humidity. Both Breeze systems come equipped with EnergyWise, a series of important components designed to optimize daily energy consumption. A hot gas condensate plate uses a natural byproduct of the compressor to burn off defrost water, eliminating the need for electricity. Other important components include a high-efficiency compressor that requires less energy to achieve the same output, rifled tubing that creates more surface area for efficient heat transfer, and energy-efficient ECM fan motors. All these parts work in tandem to create the highly efficient refrigeration system. According to recent third-party studies, Breeze system with EnergyWise can save operators upwards of 45% energy versus competitor options. We recognize the importance of managing operating costs and know that when your equipment is down, you're losing money. We've designed our refrigeration systems to be energy efficient when your case is running and easy for access and maintenance and repairs when it's not. When it comes to owning a Structural Concepts fresh food display case, it's a breeze.